So here we are in the desktop area with the computer and everything set up, and we're going to be starting off with doing the lightsaber effect. I'm opening After Effects currently, and let's show you the clip that we're going to be using. This is the clip that we're going to be doing it on.
Okay.
Start selecting shots. We'll not get hit by something vanish on the ground.
Okay.
Notice I do not have a clean plate because I'm going to teach you how to get rid of something even if there isn't a clean plate there. Right, so we're in After Effects. Let's make a new project. And that's just my phone going off. And I'm going to drag that into there. So then take that, drag it into a new composition, and here we are. So today we're going to be doing just the lightsabers. So we're going to start it here, hit B, and then we're going to end it. Well, actually, no, it's going to be the entire time. Lightsabers, go away. Sorry, that's just annoying. Right, so we're going to do this. Okay, to start doing your lightsabers, hit right-click here, new, solid. Then you're going to want to make a new solid and call it Saber. So there's two ways to do lightsabers, but today I'm going to do the way that uses Video Copilot Saber. So Saber, I'm using their Video Copilot FX console. Just come here, Video Copilot Saber, and that's what everything is. And you can use Saber. Then you can download it on the Video Copilot website. Link in the description. Here's a set it to screen or add. Actually, I'm going to do add for this one. And turn off the glow, because we'll do that. Turn the size up. And first we're going to want to find where our lightsaber extends. So right here looks like a good frame. We're going to zoom in, make the core size smaller, hit our core start here, and our core end here. Then we're going to make it bigger. There we go. Then we're going to hit T to bring up the opacity. We're going to bring the opacity down like 50% just so I can see what's underneath it. And then you're going to want to hit the stopwatch on both of these. I'm sorry, that's so annoying. And then you're going to want to hit, nope, that's Premiere Pro. Page down to go down 2 frames. Boom. And then you're just going to drag it. Then, well, here's the frame we started with. So you're going to go page up to go back a couple frames to right where, just to go back. And you can skip frames. Really, all you're doing is just positioning the lightsaber blade on top of the lightsaber for every frame. But you can skip frames because Video Copilot Saber has nice tracking and everything. Has some decent tracking. Then just go up, and this is going to be the worst lightsaber turn on I've ever done. Basically, it's going to be boom, 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 boom. And it does add motion blur later. It's just not doing it right now because I'm doing it backwards. It will edit in later though. So click here, and I'm going to speed this part up because really this is just me doing this. Alright, so we are done, and this is what it looks like with the opacity back up. We shall start this clip here. So just drag that to there. And this is what it looks like without the and so if we want to see, we turn that on. Now I have a blue glowing lightsaber. background noise. That's because obviously we're in quarantine and everybody is outside in my house right now, so I don't have as much peace and quiet as I'd like to. But anyway, here's what it looks like with the saber. It's rendering. It's not in real time, as you can see right here, but that's what the lightsaber looks like. And as I would say, I think it looks pretty good. I hit the ground really hard on that fall right there. Right, so now it's going to play in real time, and after this gets here, it's going to play in real time, and you'll be... Alright, that was the lightsaber things. My name is Bryce, and I'll see you in part 2, which is doing all the blaster shots.